100 Black Men of Metropolitan Baton Rouge is a part of a national organization, 100 Black Men of America. It was originally formed in 1963 in New York. The name 100 came about because there were a group of men up there who were working with some at-risk youth on trying to help them go to college and raise money for things like that. And somebody said, well, wouldn't it be nice if there were 100 black men doing something similar to this, focused on a primary goal of the mission. The four major areas of the 100 are mentoring, economic development, health, and also education. Those four areas were identified because we feel that those are the areas that if you can have a positive impact upon the youth, and especially African American males, you can begin to break the cycle, redirect, refocus, and move persons in a better direction.
The 100 is changing. What we're trying to do is recognizing all the severe economic situations and social indicators that saying we need to do more to help our young black men. Then we have to become a much more efficient organization. We have done quite a bit of work since the inception dealing with volunteer labor, where we have used over 7,000 volunteer hours a year. But as we evolve and trying to do more, it's going to become important that we become a very robust organization. And the way you become a robust organization, you have to get into fund development. But at the same time you do fund development, you've got to make certain that you shore up your programs. And so in order to do that, we've embarked upon a new funding model. We, for a long time, the community knew us as the Mardi Gras Gala. Over time, as it grew, though, the revenues that came back to programs became like 40 cents on a dollar. Well, 40 cents on a dollar is not a return. It wasn't providing the amount of revenue we needed to grow our programs. If I give you $1, what do I get back from it? If I tell you you give me $1 and you get 40 cents going to a program, you frown on it a little bit. But now we say we're talking about 90 cents plus on $1 going to programs. We find that people are very receptive to that. They say, yeah, that makes good sense. And what we are saying is we're going to be good stewards of the resources that they're given. We're going to make certain they go directly to the young folks that we're working to help. So we have embarked on something that we have called now the 100 for the 100. And the 100 for the 100 is 100 corporate members in the city of Baton Rouge given to the 100 black men of Metro Baton Rouge. What we're asking for is and working toward is getting 100 firms to give us $10,000 per year for a 3-year period. So that if we get 100 of those firms, then we would have grown the organization to a level that we can build some very robust programs. And we began to see those successes that we currently have enjoyed taken to scale. We can impact 20 kids or 30 kids through Project Excel, 400 kids through Capitol High School, another 300 or 400 through our other various other programs and the other community activities. The Baton Rouge Area Foundation has been a major supporter of us. We went through a very long, extensive strategic planning exercise to make sure that we are doing what we do best, that we are focused on our mission, that we are focused on our programs, that we are focused on the quality of our programs and the outcomes. We want to make certain that we are doing exactly what we say we're going to do, so that when we go to these funders, we'll be able to say, here's our model. It's a national curriculum that's been certified. We are having these kind of outcomes, and we want you to join in and help us do what is best for our community. The other part of our going forward as the 100 evolve, we're really trying to show up our membership. We are looking for opportunities for more individuals, more men who would want to roll up their sleeves and go to work and become a part of the 100 organization. Now, the 100 is not an organization that does everything. We are a very focused organization that concentrates on education and mentoring, health and wellness, and economic development, as it primarily relates to youth. So if you're interested in those areas, we would encourage you to get on board. If you're not interested in being a member, but you just want to lend a hand to maybe do some tutoring over at Capitol, to have an after-school program, or talk about an after-school program that you think would work at Capitol, or to give us some opportunity to work in one of our other programs, feel free to contact us if you would. We want to be an organization in the community that a group would feel open to come and be a part.